Welcome. Are you a YouTuber? If you are a professional YouTuber, this video is only for you. Please don't go anywhere without watching this video. Your video quality is very good. Your sound quality is good. You are capturing the clip perfectly. Your content quality is good, but you are not getting proper views, subscribers, and likes, and comment, and share in your YouTube channel. Do you know the reasons? Yes, definitely there are some reasons behind it. Because you don't have proper SEO in your YouTube video. That is why your videos are not getting viral. If you want to make your video viral, then you must do SEO in your video. I'm a professional YouTube SEO expert with 7 years of experience. If I work with you in your channel definitely will increase rapidly and you will be able to make money from your YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel definitely will grow. So don't waste your time. If you really want to develop your YouTube channel, you can work with me. My name is Saddam Hussain, and I told you that I have 7 years of experience in this sector. So if you want to work with me, you can contact with me, you can join with me. Definitely, I'm ready to help you always. Have a nice day.